Finally, guys, I am back to the range. I'm sorry for not being able to put out another video anytime sooner. I've had a hard time finding ammo, to be honest with you. And today, I'm going to be shooting Center X, which I shoot out of my CZ 457 that I got lot tested for that. And I want to see how it shoots out of this Anschutz Model 64 today. So that's what we're going to be doing. It's a little chilly, as you can see. There's frost definitely out here on the ground. But yeah, we're gonna definitely send some bullets downrange and see how this Anschutz 64 does with the Center X that is lot tested for my CZ 457. So we'll get into the video right now. We'll do a little time lapse of me setting up and then we'll start shooting. Alrighty guys, I'm all set up. We're going to be testing this Center X here. Like I said, it shoots great. I got a lot tested for my CZ 457. I want to see how it shoots out of this Anschutz. So we'll do 5 shots, 5 groups at 50 yards. So let's get right to it. Shooting a little low. Could be because the bore is cold. We'll see if it goes up. One more shot. That's a pretty decent group. I guess we could adjust the scope up just a little bit, or we could just leave it alone. We'll just leave it alone. I think the reason why the scope's off just a little bit is because that RWS shoots a little bit hotter. And that's what the scope is sighted in for last, was that RWS. Let's go ahead and shoot another 5-shot group. I think it's safe to say that this Anschutz likes the same ammo as my CZ 457, which is probably a good thing because I could just buy all one ammo. Shoot one more group. Still not a bad group. Still not a bad group. Now I will say, guys, that I am going to be doing some giveaways. So I'll put some descriptions in the description on what I'm going to be giving away. I want to get, since I ordered some of that Ely match that came in, I got an extra box. So there's a couple things that you got to do to enter, I guess, to win that. I did start up a Facebook page at 304 Rimfire, so I'd like you guys to go to that, like it, and comment on there what your favorite ammo is, what you use, and then just share it so we can get the word out and get some more people coming into the channel. And then also you got to like the video, so make sure you hit that like button. And then if you guys would, please comment in the YouTube video on what ammo you guys are using, or you like, or your favorite. And then, yeah, subscribe. Shoot another group. Oh, that opened it up a little bit. Vertical though, up and down. We'll shoot one more group. See if we can get them tighter. Pulled it. That was my mistake. I'm gonna shoot one more group just because I messed that one up. Let's see if I can do a little bit better. Take my time. See if I can get almost all one hole. Got 5 loaded up. Alright guys, not a bad group. Stuff don't shoot bad out of this. I think that RWS shoots a little bit better, but yeah. So guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Let me know what you guys think on what I should shoot next. Like I said, I got some Ely match coming. I got 3 different lots, and I'm gonna do lot testing on it, see how it shoots. I'm trying to find an ammo that shoots good out of this besides just that RW50. The Center X didn't do too bad out of this, but it could be better. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments on what I should try next. Like I said, I got the Ely match. I even got some Wolf that I'm going to try out of this thing. And then once I find the lot ammo out of this that really likes, then I'm going to break out the CZ457 and show you guys that one and do a couple videos on it. And also guys, I'm going to do probably a video on how I clean my gun and what I use. But yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment. And like I said, I will be giving that giveaway out for once a month. I'm going to do a giveaway on either ammo or cleaning supplies or anything 22 related. I'm going to try to give out to you guys. But we're going to have to set some goals to get there. But yeah, thank you.